Page number 220. Class 5. EVS. Lesson 4. Our body. Our organ system. Learning outcomes. Pupils will be able to identify different organs in the body. Know about different organ systems in the body. Explain the structure and functions of different organ systems in the body. Understand the functioning of organ systems in the body. Appreciate our body as an amazing machine. Observe the picture completely and answer the questions. 1. What is the teacher showing in the picture? 2. Can you say the names of some organs of our body? 3. What are the uses of organs? Our body consists of so many organs. The organs are useful for us to do different kinds of works. In the previous class, we learned about different body parts of human beings. Do you know the internal organs and the external organs of our body? The head, hands, legs, etc. are external organs, as they are visible to us from outside. The brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, etc. are internal organs, as they are located inside our body and not visible from the outside. External organs. Internal organs. Page number 222. Just as the parts of a machine work together, the organs in our body also work together to help keep us live and stay healthy. We have many organs, such as the head, hands, legs, brain, lungs, kidneys, etc. Let us discuss some organ systems. The skeletal system. Gently press on your wrist with your fingers. You will feel something hard. These hard structures are called bones. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. The bones form a frame called the skeleton or the skeletal system. As the bones grow longer, our height increases. Muscles are attached to the bones. The skeletal system and muscles together give us shape and support and also help in body movements. In our skeletal system, some bones are long and some bones are short. The bones in our body are joined together. The longest bone in the human body is the femur, thigh bone, and the shortest bone is the stapes, which is located in the middle ear. Some parts of the skeletal system. Skull, ribcage, T-backbone. Some parts of the skeletal system. Skull. The skull is a strong bone, and it protects the brain, as the brain is very sensitive and essential for life. Ribcage. The ribcage is a cage-like bone arrangement to give more protection to our lungs and heart. Backbone. Spine. The backbone supports our body to stand erect and gives protection to our spinal cord. Page number 224. We can observe images of our bones clearly with the help of an X-ray. In order to keep our bones healthy, we need to eat food such as milk, curd, and eggs. Work, play, regular exercise, yoga, and exposure ourselves to the early morning sunlight keep our bones strong and healthy. We should walk and do exercise regularly to stay fit and healthy. Most of the bones are hard and strong. Some bones are softer and more flexible. The external ear and the flexible part of the nose are made up of soft tissue called cartilage. Getting energy. On one Sunday, Rohit and his team were practicing dance for the annual day celebrations. After dancing for some time, Rohit felt tired. His teacher, Manjula, gave him 2 bananas. He ate the bananas and began dancing again. So, we need to eat food to get energy. Let us discuss which part of our body helps to digest the food? Answer. Stomach. Why did Rohit get tired after dancing? Answer. Because he lost his energy. How did eating bananas help Rohit? Answer. Bananas give instant energy to Rohit. What would happen if Rohit did not eat anything and continued dancing? Why? Answer. If he is not eat anything and continued dancing, he will be fainted. Page number 226. Digestive system. Do you know what happens to the food we eat? Let us know the digestive process in human beings. We eat food to get energy and several nutrients for our body. The food we eat is complex food material. This complex food material has to change into simple food material to produce energy. The process of conversion of complex food material into simple and absorbable materials by the action by enzymes called digestion. Parts in digestive system: 1. Oral cavity. 2. Liver. 3. Esophagus. 4. Stomach. 5. Liver. 6. Large intestine. 7. Small intestine. 8. Anus. The food we eat is chewed by our teeth. Teeth grind the food into smaller pieces, and the saliva in our mouth softens it. After swallowing, the softened food travels down the food pipe, esophagus, and reaches the stomach. In the stomach, the food is mixed with digestive juices and becomes juicier. It then moves into the small intestine. Here digestion continues, and the digested nutrients are absorbed into the blood. The undigested food passes from the small intestine into the large intestine. Water is absorbed here. The remaining waste is stored in the rectum, and finally, released from the body through the anus. Do you know? Our small intestine is 6 meters long, and it is a coiled structure. This coiled structure helps to retain the food until that digested food is absorbed into the blood. Let us do not eat food in a hurry. Digestion process starts in the mouth. Chew the food slowly and properly. It is advised to drink water before eating food. It helps in the smooth movement of food in the food pipe. Do not drink too much of water while eating. Eat homemade food only. Do not eat junk food. It will harm your digestive system. Along with your friends, prepare a post using the above information for your class. Page number 228. Activity. Write the functions of different parts of the digestive system. Serial number. Parts. Function. 1. Mouth. Food is grind and becomes softens with saliva. 2. Esophagus. Passes food from mouth to stomach. 3. Stomach. Food is mixed with digestive juices. 4. Small intestine. Digestive nutrients are absorbed into blood. 5. Large intestine. Water is absorbed from undigested food. 6. Rectum. Waste is stored in rectum. 7. Anus. Release food waste. Respiratory system. Do you know how energy is produced from the food we eat? Whether we are working, playing, or sleeping, we keep breathing. Look at the picture. It has the nose, windpipe, and lungs. Air enters through the nose, moves down the windpipe, and reaches the lungs. The lungs are soft, spongy organs that fill with air when we inhale. The air we breathe contains oxygen. This oxygen helps break down the food inside our cells and releases energy for our body. This is our respiratory system. Parts in respiratory system. Nasal cavity. Oral cavity. Trachea. Right lung. Left lung. Respiration process. The process of breathing in is inhalation. During inhalation, lungs get enlarged. The process of breathing out is called exhalation. During exhalation, the lungs get contracted. The inhaled air has more oxygen. It goes into the lungs and mixes with the blood. Oxygen reaches the cells and releases the energy. The produced carbon dioxide and water vapor are exhaled by the process called exhalation. Page number 230. Let us do. Prepare a working model of the lungs, as shown in the picture, with 3 balloons, 3 straws, a plastic bottle, and a bottle cap. Ask your teacher for the detailed procedure. Look at the given picture. What do you observe in the picture? Answer. The doctor is examining the child. What is the doctor doing? Doctor, check up the heartbeat. What do you call the apparatus with which the doctor is testing the patient? Stethoscope. The doctor measures the heartbeat with a stethoscope. Let us do. Make a stethoscope. A stethoscope is used by a doctor to listen to the heartbeat. To make a stethoscope, you need a transparent plastic tube, a funnel, and tape. Tape the funnel to one end of the transparent plastic tube. Then ask a friend to place funnel end on your heart and the other end of the prepared stethoscope in his ears. Does he hear your heartbeat? Now run for a while and ask your friend to listen to your heartbeat again. Has it increased? How is the sound? Where does the sound comes from? Why? Page number 232. Circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels to all parts of the body. Blood vessels. There are 2 types of blood vessels: arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. They carry oxygenated pure blood, except the pulmonary arteries, which carry blood without oxygen. Veins carry blood from the body back to the heart. They carry deoxygenated, impure blood, except the pulmonary veins, which carry oxygen-rich blood to the heart from the lungs. Parts of circulatory system. Heart. Blood vessels. Heart. The heart is located on the left side of the chest. The heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 small chambers are arteria, and the lower 2 big chambers are ventricles. It works like a motor pump. The heart makes the sound lub, dub. Parts in heart. Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Blood. Blood transports the oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. The nutrients are obtained from the food we eat. Blood helps us to regulate the body temperature and fight against the disease-causing germs. It also helps in removing waste materials like carbon dioxide from the body. We should eat healthy food to have sufficient blood in our body. Groundnuts, jaggery bars, chickpeas, eggs, milk, leafy vegetables, etc. must be taken. Page number 234. Do you know? Hemoglobin is an iron-rich protein in red blood cells. A deficiency of red blood cells, RBC, causes anemia. To prevent this, the government of Andhra Pradesh is providing iron folic acid tablets to all the students on every Thursday in the schools. You must take those tablets to improve the blood levels. Let us discuss which blood vessels transport the blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Answer. Arteries. Which blood vessels transport the blood from the body parts to the heart? Answer: veins. What is the instrument used by the doctor to measure heartbeat? Stethoscope. Complete the following table. Serial number. Who am I? What do I do? 1. Heart. Pumps blood to all parts of our body. 2. Blood vessels. Carries blood from heart to all our body parts. 3. Blood. Transports oxygen and nutrients to body parts. Excretory system. After waking up in the morning, we feel like going to the toilet. After playing, our body becomes wet with sweat. Where do these wastes come from? Our body has a purification system to remove impurities. The system that removes excess and waste materials from the body fluids is called the excretory system. Our body mainly uses kidneys, lungs, and skin as the major excretory organs. Parts of excretory system: right kidney, left kidney, urine tube, urine bladder, urethra. Page number 236. Kidneys. We have two kidneys located in the abdominal cavity, one on either side of the spine. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs. They filter the blood and remove impurities from it. These impurities are sent out in the form of urine. Let us observe the vertical section of the kidney. Lungs. Lungs are the spongy organs in our body. Lungs help in absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide from the blood. Carbon dioxide comes out during the exhalation process of breathing. Skin. Skin is the largest and most visible excretory organ in our body. It contains sweat glands. It eliminates excess water and salts from the body in the form of sweat. The sweat comes out through the smallest pores, sweat pores, on the skin. We need to drink more water. This helps to eliminate waste from the body. While walking along the road, we hear the sound of a bus horn. We immediately move aside. How are we able to move immediately after listening the sound? Nervous system. There is a network connection of nerves from head to toe in our body. The nerves transmit messages from all parts of the body to the brain, and from the brain to all the body parts. The brain has control over the body through nerves. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves are collectively called the nervous system. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our sensory organs, and are connected to the brain through nerves. When our sense organs feel any sensation, the nerves attached to these organs transmit messages to the brain. The brain identifies different types of messages and helps us to understand what we see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Parts of nervous system: brain, spinal cord, nerves. Page number 238. We can enjoy the colors of a butterfly, song of a cuckoo, fragrance of a jasmine, and softness of green grass, only because of the effective functioning of the nervous system. Our body is an amazing machine. All the systems in our body have to work together to keep us healthy. The digestive system digests the food. The respiratory system helps to release energy from the food. The circulatory system transports oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body. The excretory system collects waste products from all the parts and sends them out. The nervous system makes sure all other systems work together and respond properly. We will learn about other systems present in our body In the higher classes, we celebrate World Health Day on the 7th of April every year. Keywords: internal organs, external organs, organ systems, skull, ribs, bones, digestion, muscle, heart, blood, brain, nerves, lungs, kidneys. What we have learned: our body is like a machine. Our body consists of external organs and internal organs, a group of organs working together to perform a common work is called an organ system. Food we eat is digested in the stomach and small intestine. Energy is released in respiration. The inhalation and exhalation of air is called breathing. The heart has 4 chambers and circulates blood to all parts of the body. The skin, lungs, and kidneys are the human excretory organs. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves control the functions of body parts. Improve your learning. 1. Name the organ systems in the human body. Answer: 1. Skeletal system. 2. Digestive system. 3. Respiratory system. 4. Circulatory system. 5. Nervous system. 6. Excretory system. 2. Write the name of the organ that pumps blood. Answer: heart. 3. Which organ system is responsible for the movement of our body? Answer: skeletal system and muscles. 4. What is the human body's nervous system primarily responsible for? A. Moving the body. B. Transporting nutrients. C. Protecting organs. D. Transmitting signals. Answer: D. Transmitting signals. 5. How does the respiratory system help our body? Answer: the respiratory system helps our body through the process of inhalation and exhalation. 6. Why do we need the circulatory system? Answer: we need circulatory system to carry oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body and remove waste products. It helps our body's organs work properly. 7. Explain why all organ systems must work together. Answer: all organ systems must work together because they all are interdependent to one another. 8. Which organ system is shown in the above picture, and what is its main function? A. Circulatory system, carrying blood. B. Digestive system, breaking down food. C. Respiratory system, taking in oxygen. D. Nervous system, sending messages. Answer: B. Digestive system, taking in oxygen. 9. After eating food, what happens to the food inside your body? Name the system involved. Answer: after eating food, the food is broken into small pieces. After digestion, they become nutrients and absorbed into blood. The digestion system involved in all these processes. 10. Place your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat. Which organ are you feeling? And what its function? Answer: heart. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. 11. Ria runs for 2 minutes and notices that her breathing becomes faster and her heart beats quicker. Which 2 organ systems are mainly working harder? A. Skeletal and digestive systems. B. Digestive and nervous systems. C. Respiratory and circulatory systems. D. Muscular and excretory systems. Answer: C. Respiratory and circulatory systems. 12. Match the following. Organ 1. Heart. 2. Lungs. 3. Stomach. 4. Brain. Organ systems. A. Nervous system. B. Circulatory system. C. Respiratory system. D. Digestive system. Answers: heart. B. Circulatory system. Lungs. C. Respiratory system. Stomach. D. Digestive system. Brain. A. Nervous system. 13. Compare the digestive system and respiratory system. Write the difference. Answer: the digestive system breaks down food, absorb nutrients, and add them into the blood. 14. What may happen if one organ system does not work properly? Explain with one example. Answer: if one organ system does not work properly, the body may not function normally. Example: if the respiratory system does not work properly, the body may not get enough oxygen, which can make a person feel weak and have difficulty breathing. 15. Is it important to eat healthy food for the proper working of organ systems? Why? Answer: yes, because healthy food gives nutrients to our body. 16. Do you agree that your body is an amazing machine? Give one reason. Answer: yes, I agree. The organ systems work automatically. 17. Write 2 sentences appreciating how different organ systems work together. Answer: each system has a special role, but they depend on one another to keep them alive and active. 18. Prepare a short slogan on taking care of our body. Answer: good habits today, healthy life tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.